Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia, and if you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing Mood Ring by Phlur. So if you guys want to learn more about this juicy fragrance, go ahead and stay tuned. Now you guys, to say I was excited to try this fragrance is a complete understatement. From the moment I saw the notes of this fragrance, I knew that it was something that I needed to have in my collection. This is what the packaging for it looks like up close. As you guys know, this was definitely not my first time purchasing a Phlur fragrance, but it was my first time purchasing it from the actual Phlur website. And you guys, 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend. They give you this extremely sturdy and durable little fragrance pouch. And I'm pretty sure they give this to you with every fragrance purchase. And it is really nice. Like, I'm going to be taking a few trips in a little bit. So I will definitely be putting all of my fragrances in this little pouch to travel with because it will just be so convenient. You guys, as you saw, I did purchase this in the travel size, which is a 0.32 fluid ounce. This fragrance comes in two different sizes. There's the mini or the travel size, and then there's also the full size bottle, which is a 1.7 ounce. So it's nice that you have a few different options when purchasing this fragrance. This fragrance is pretty new. It was launched in late 2023. It's classified as a fruity floral type scent. The key notes of this fragrance include fruit gummies, orange flower, and glazed musk. But let me go ahead and give it a spray and let you guys know what it smells like. As soon as you spray this fragrance, you definitely get those fruit gummy notes. It smells really sweet, but you can also smell the orange blossom notes and the orange notes. And I am 99.9% sure that there's patchouli in here as well. It is a pretty sweet fragrance, but it still has that signature Phlur smell to it, which in my opinion does lean a bit more towards the mature side. And I'm pretty sure all that Phlur's fragrances are unisex, and this definitely smells more so like a unisex fragrance. I was so excited to purchase this fragrance when I found out that there were fruit gummy notes in here because I love sweet smelling scents. I love sugary candy-like scents. But I was still kind of trying to keep my expectations in check just because this is a Phlur fragrance and I have 3 other Phlur fragrances in my collection. And a lot of times I would see like a fruitier note in some of their fragrances and then I would smell it and it would have a hint of that fruity note, but the woodsier, stronger notes in the fragrances kind of overpower that. So that's kind of how I thought things would be with this one. But honestly, if you're someone who has kind of been struggling with Phlur fragrances and you haven't really found one that you totally like because you do like sweeter type scents, this is definitely one that you would like. So far, I've worn this fragrance about 3 times. And once everything warms and settles on your skin, to me, it kind of smells like an orange gummy bear. And like you sprayed a little bit of musk over top of it. Though it's classified as a fruity floral, I'm not even really getting too many of the floral notes. It kind of leans a little bit more on the woodsier side to me. And I also feel like it may depend on your body chemistry as well as to how many of those sweet notes kind of stick around. On my skin, those fruity, juicy notes stick around for about 4 to 5 hours. After that, it does smell pretty woodsy and slightly citrusy as well. So it's not terrible and it's not offensive either. But I really like this fragrance, honestly. If I had to rate this between 1 and 10, I would probably give it about an 8.5. So far, this is definitely my favorite Phlur fragrance. While all of the other Phlur fragrances that I have are very beautiful, well-crafted fragrances, this one is just my favorite. It's a little bit more me, it's juicier, it's sweeter. So this fragrance will definitely be getting used. To me, this is a fruity scent that could work year-round, especially in the fall and the winter months. Even though it is on the fruitier side, it does have deeper, stronger notes that kind of round everything out nicely. I'm not totally sure how those stronger notes are going to smell in the spring and the summer months. Georgia heat is insane, and I'm kind of scared to smell what the heat is going to do to this fragrance. But I will definitely try it out and try to wear it at least 1 or 2 days just to see how it smells and if it changes at all. So I will definitely let you guys know how that turns out. This fragrance launch, like the majority of them, caught me off guard. I had to find out about this fragrance while I was mindlessly scrolling on TikTok. Sephora was sold out of it for a very long time, but as I mentioned before, I definitely recommend you guys purchase from the actual Phlur website. They have it in stock over there, and you get this really cute bag to go with it no matter what size you purchase, and the shipping was pretty quick too. Guys, as always, I will try to have this fragrance either linked in my Amazon storefront or linked in the description box for you guys to pick it up and try it out if you guys want to. And also, if any of you guys have tried Phlur Mood Ring, let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. So you guys, that was my review of Phlur Mood Ring. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.